Structures of virus. Virus are extremely small particles comprises of proteins and nucleic acid. The largest virus are about 300 nanometer in size, and the smallest one is about 20 nanometer in size. Virus is coated with an outer coat called capsid, which is made of proteins. In the next slide, we will talk about capsomere. Capsomere are morphological subunit on the surface of the virus. The capsid, together with its enclosed nucleic acid, is called nucleoplast. The nucleocapsid may be enclosed in an envelope, which may be containing material of the host cell as well as the viral origin. The function of the capsid of the virus particles is to protect the nucleic acid genome from physical, chemical, and enzymatic damage. The protein subunit in a virus capsid are multiple redundant, that is, they present in many copies per particles. The viral nucleocapsid may be in three different shapes. Either morphological form would be symmetrical, or it would be cubical, or it might be both. So now let's see cubical. In cubical, the arrangement of the nucleic acid are arranged inside the shell, which is shaped like a cubical shape. It have the shape is consists of 12 vertices, 20 identical faces, and 30 edges. Each face is an equilateral triangle, and each faces have an equilateral triangle together with 6 5-fold axes of symmetry passing through their vertices. As we can see this particular shape in the next slide, we can see 12 vertices and 30 identical faces at 30 degrees each. Now we will talk about, in the next slide, helical symmetry. In the helical symmetry, the nucleic acid and capsomere are helically coiled together. The length of the helically viral nucleoplastid is determined by the length of the nucleic acid. In this symmetry, the identical protein subunit are arranged in a form of a circle to form a disc-shaped appearance. This forms a cylinder or helical structure. In the next slide, we will see complex symmetry, in which the virus does not have a fixed helical or cuboidal symmetry. It have both. Together with cuboidal, it will be having helical also. And one example of this one is pox virus, and pox virus show complex symmetry. The next slide, we will talk about viral nucleic acid. Viral nucleic acid is a genetic material of viruses, and virus contain only one type of nucleic acid. It is either DNA or RNA. The nucleic acid can be both single-stranded or double-stranded. Actually, for DNA, let's say the virus is a DNA virus, it can be single-strand DNA or double-stranded DNA virus, or if it is an RNA virus, it can be a double-stranded RNA virus or single-stranded RNA virus. In the next slide, we will talk about viral nucleic acid. The next slide we will talk about the envelope. Actually, a virus is enveloped in an envelope like structure. It is called a membrane. Like the virus have an outer layer called a envelope membrane. Viral envelope are derived from cellular membrane of host which are acquired during the release of the virus from host cell. The envelope also contain matrices, protein, and viral gene, and also proteins that are spike protein, which helps the virus to attach to host cell. Then the last slide, I will talk about how we study virus. Viruses are very small in size, so we will be needing electron microscope or X-ray chromatography in order to see the detailed structures of virus. And that's it for my part. Thank you.